Hi, I'm Stefan from K15T and I'm going to explain you what a content source is, how you can add a content source to a site, how you can go live with it, how you can remove it again, and how you can handle multiple content sources within that portal page. Currently our site is up to date, we have one content source and our Help Center theme looks like that. We have the space overview with some description, highlighted articles, and the version picker at the top because we added this as a document. Alright, now we want to add a second content source. And for that we click the button Add Content Source. Here we get the drop-down selection as you know it from your site creation. And we add the content source we want. This time we want to add the Smart App again as a space. We give the path prefix a name, click Save, and we see that the Smart App is a new content source as a type space. The URL is not live yet because we haven't updated our site. And we also get a new message that the second content source was added and that there's something like called portal page. So let's have a look and see what that portal page is about. So if we now go to the theme editor, we clearly can see that the view has changed from our original view of the site. Now we have here two elements which are both the Smart App content sources, and we also have a new entry which is called portal page. In here we can do some changes to it. We can switch the content sources in their order. We can add a background image. We can edit the subtitle or the main title. And we can also define how many content sources we want to show initially. We also can add a heading to our documentations. We save it, we close the theme editor, and now we should update our site. Once the site was generated, we can decide to go live, which we will do. Now our site is again up to date. We don't have any changes and the second content source was added. Now we can click on our Good Software link and here we have our brand new portal page. Our old link to the old content source still works the same and won't break. But beware, if you go ahead and change, for example, the URL segment, your links will break. As well as if you change the version names of your document, your links will break. To remove that content source again, you can simply click on the ... menu at the end of the row and click Remove Content Source. If you have removed your content source like that, your content is still live. So here again, you would need to update your site to make those changes effective. Once you have updated your site, the content source is gone and all links which were leading to that content source will be for links in the future. If you add a content source, all of its content will be part of the site. For scroll documents, this includes only the versions you have selected for your site. Remember to restrict any content within the space or scroll document that you don't want to be live on your Help Center. You will need to restrict directly in your Confluence space settings or scroll document restriction, not within the Scroll Viewport app.